everyone. Now we are going to see the biology question of the 66th BPSC prelims examination. What were the biology question that were asked in that 66th BPSC pre-exam? So the first question that were asked, it was the vitamins which was effective in blood clotting. Which was the vitamin that was effective in the blood clotting? So the option is vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin D, vitamin K, none of the above, or more than one of the above. So the vitamin which is responsible for the blood clotting is vitamin K. So option D is the right answer. Now the second question is, the female sex hormone is, option A is estrogen, B is androgen, C is insulin, D is oxytocin, and E is none of the above or more than one of the above. So the female sex hormone, there are two kinds of hormones released during the female sex, and first one is estrogen and second one is progesterone. So since progesterone is not mentioned here, so only estrogen will be the right answer. So the answer 1, estrogen, will be the correct answer. Now the third question that was asked in that BPSC pre was, the malfunctioning of thyroid gland is due to deficiency of, option A is vitamin A, option B is calcium, option C is iodine, option D is iron, and option E is none of the above or more than one of the above. So the correct answer is iodine. Due to the deficiency of iodine, we have the thyroid problem in our body. So now the fourth question that was asked was, the sensitive area of the human tongue to the bitterness. Which part of the human tongue is responsible or is sensing the bitterness test? So the answer will be the posterior part. Hence we know that this is some kind of this our tongue looks like. So this part, this is the posterior part which is known for the bitterness. Now the question number 5th was, the sweetest sugar among the following. Option A fructose, B is glucose, C is maltose, D is sucrose, and E is none of the above or more than one of the above. So the right answer will be fructose. Fructose is known as the sweetest sugar. And the 6th question, among the following which is not the true fruit, means it's saying that which of the following is not a true fruit, means which is indirectly is asking that which of the following is a false fruit. So the ripened product and the one which we going to raw product, like if we are eating apple, these are false product. This apple is a false product. This grape is a ripened product, so it's a true fruit. This date is also a true, and this plum is a false product. So these two are false product. So this is false product, this is false product. So the correct answer will be the last, E, more than one of the above will be the right answer. And the 7th question that was asked in that BPSC pre was, the Nobel Prize for the developing treatment of the Parkinson disease was given to, there are 4 names, that Arvind Carlson, John F. Anders, Robert B. Launin, and Walter Kohn. And none of the, and the 5th option is none of the above or more than the one of the above. So the answer is the Arvind Carlson was the person who has been awarded with the Nobel Prize for his treatment in disease in Parkinson disease, we call them. So, and the 8th one is, the ginger is a stem and not root because it stores food and material, it has nodes and internode, it grows horizontally in the soil, it lacks chlorophyll, or none of the above or more than one of the above. So if we have seen ginger, it has nodes and internodes, it grows horizontally in the soil, it is a kind of a food storing material, it has the food stored, and it also, since its the color is yellow, so it's lack of the chlorophyll. So all these are correct. So the right answer will be the E, which is more than one of the above. The 9th question that was asked was, the legumes are highly nutritious because they are rich in legumes. Legumes we can say the seed we call dal, jise na, then they are highly rich in, option 1 is fat, option B protein, C is oil, D is starch, and E is none of the above or more than one of the above. So these legumes are highly rich in protein. Option B, protein is the right answer. Now the 10th one is asking that clove, a spice, is obtained from which of part of the plant? Clove, which is also known as a kind of a spices or spice, then it is obtained from which part of the plant? So the option 1 is fruit, B is stem, C is root, D is flower seed, and E is none of the above or more than one of the above. So the right answer will be the flower seed. Now the 11th question of biology that were asked in our BPSC pre was the radiations used in the treatment of muscle ache is option A infrared, B microwave, C is ultraviolet, D is X-ray, and E is none of the above or more than one of the above. So the rays which are used is infrared. This infrared basically go inside the human muscle and it produces heat and the sensation which is used to treat the muscle ache of the human body. So this way we have seen that there were total 11 questions in the biology section that were asked in 66th BPSC pre-examination, and now we are going to see the chemistry question that were asked in our BPSC pre-examination.